rocket. When I link with ball, boy, you know it's not.
I forgot my koozie. What a fine, man. Later we got burgers, chicken, spotty toddy.
I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on and put my mans on.
It's in! Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name's Chris. This is Driven by Boost. If you guys are new here, we like to do some car reviews, some automotive showcases, as well as some vlogs on some of the current project cars. Today being the Porsche Cayman. And what we got going on is I brought two boxes into the car today. I got a Joe Toth. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a 3-piece sectional front splitter for the car, as well as a GT3 Smile Vent that we're going to be installing as well. So that's going to be a little bit of a surgery, I guess, on the bumper. We gotta chop it up a little bit, so I'm a little nervous, but if we do it right, it's gonna look awesome. So I'm excited, but also kind of nervous about that one. So we'll see. Hopefully it goes well today. I'm excited, but first we're meeting up with my buddy Jordan. We're going over to Lake Forest for a car meet and a little bit of a show, and then we're gonna grab some food, and then we're gonna get to work on the car. So it's gonna be a busy day today, guys. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So we'll get to it.
I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. I can't do no trying to leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around.
That's a logo! 3 mercies and a hard time!
I can't do no trying to leave that gun around. Been running around. Now we're grown, sticking to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery.
Alright guys, we just made it back to the meet at Executive Motor Cars. It's a pretty big turnout. It's a beautiful day, and a lot of awesome cars showed up. A bunch of Lamborghinis and a bunch of muscle cars. So it's a super good turnout, beautiful weather. The leaves are changing, guys. It is a good day.
Total side, no electric. Yeah, scared, hectic. 777. Yeah, 777. Couple of money in my head just to say they did it. Can't lie, I'm so paranoid. The windows tinted. I own everything around me, you can say it's rented. Not talking phone numbers when I'm talking 7 digits. Earn it by the day, every second minute. Used to pay me none, look, now they pay attention. Everybody say they drip, but I banded it. See them copy all the looks, but I stay switching. Pick up the loot, then hit the bank. Can never change, still wrote the change. Captain say the pay, this ain't the day. They made me wait, I'm breaking chains. Call me feeling bubbly off the rose. Took a minute, but I got it out the slow way. Friends turn to foes, haters tell them go away. Rappers make a shiggy dance like a soul train.
Alright guys, meet was awesome. We're heading out, we're gonna grab some food, and then we're gonna meet back at Jordan's place to go do some surgery on the Porsche.
777.
What a find, man.
I think that's the only color that came in.
Yeah, literally found a Cayman at Myers. Gets dying. 120 bucks later, we got burgers, chicken, spotty thotties, off to Jordan's to go do a little surgery on the Cayman.
777.
Alright guys, just got to Jordan's house, pulled in the garage. We're gonna prep the car for a little bumper surgery, bring the food in, and then yeah, we're gonna do a little cooking, and then we'll do a little chopping. A little cooking, a little chopping. Alright, so we got the car up on blocks, we got it jacked up, and we got the front two wheels off. It's going to be easier to access the wheel well when the wheels are off, so it's going to help us speed up the process. I don't think we need to take out the headlights. I saw a couple of videos on the forums where guys could leave them in, so we're going to leave the headlights in for now, try to work around it. But let's go take a look at the GT3 vent kit that I got. Alright. So here's the actual vent. Purchased this from renline.com. I'll leave a link for you guys if you want to check it out. Comes with installation, all the hardware needed. Here's the stencil. So this is the stainless steel, like it's just a metal stencil that we're gonna put on the bumper, line this up, and we're gonna use this to make our cuts in the car. So hopefully this works and we don't f it up. But if we do, I guess I gotta order a GT3 bumper. And then I got black mesh to put behind the vent to kind of just make it a little more streamlined and more clean, just in case you get like leaves and debris to fall in there. So we'll work on getting the bumper off, and then we'll get going on cutting. So it turns out we had to take out the headlights to unclip this last plastic clip, but it's really simple. There's a hole in the plug right here.
We probably could have gotten away without taking the headlight out.
Yeah.
But it made it easier because things had a little bit more wiggle room.
Yeah.
Because this was caught. That little tab,
Uh-huh.
that's what was stuck. It wasn't because of the headlight. It was because of this thing.
Okay. Okay. All right, boys. She coming off. No, she ain't.
Oh, it's the washer fluid thing.
Yeah. How do you unhook that? It ain't coming off yet.
Why do you have to have such goofy shit?
Bumper's off. We're prepping it for surgery, boys. Jordan's doing a mighty fine tape job. And then we're gonna screw in the template when we get it all lined up. And then once it's screwed in, it's gonna hold it in place. We'll take the scalpel and we'll cut her up. And then it should just pop in and, you know. Reading.
Reading's hard.
I'm like super nervous. All right, so we got the template centered up. We taped it. We measured it. It was 11 inches. It was 11 inches from the washer to the corner, and then the instructions say to drill the first hole, and then we can level it out. So we got it centered, and then we'll level it. So, all right, no going back.
You're not going the right way.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Take two.
Is this centered? Wow. It's in! Moment of truth. really anxious. Hopefully this fits. If we fuck this up, I'm gonna be so. We just pop in here, man. Let's see how much we need to. Hey, look at that. That's where the clips will come in.
Oh, so we don't even have to really mess with it much anymore.
That's good to go. That looks pretty even, guys. That looks pretty even. Wow, dude, that looks so good. All right, so the GT3 vent is on, and the last bit we're going to do is the front splitter. It's a 3-piece sectional from Joe Toth, Joe Toth. I'm not sure how to say the name. I think it's Toth. We're going to take off the corner sections, and then the 3-piece kind of bolts up, and then we got to drill 2 holes or so, and then it should just snap right in place, and we're done. So I'm pretty excited. The tough part is over drilling. That was pretty nerve-wracking. I'm glad Jordan just jumped in there and started going ham on it, because I could not have cut up my car like that. So mad props to Jordan for just doing that. So all right, we're gonna get to it. Popped. All right, guys. All bolted up. We're gonna flip it over and we're gonna get it installed on the bumper. Let's do it.
But I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals, money pals, money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down.
Here we go, guys. The fender is back on, the vent is looking good, and the splitter is looking awesome. I'm super happy with the way this looks right now. It is looking out actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. But huge shout out to all the guys coming out today and helping with the car. It turned out amazing, so I'm so happy with it, guys. Yeah, can't wait to keep working on this car. It's been a blast. If you guys haven't already, please hit that like button. And guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for coming.